No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Doesn't even have to turn off the camera and tell people to shut up in the background. I'm sure somebody else has to. Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm real glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you will decide to hit that big red button and subscribe and join the Gem Squad family. I have Boxy Premium and I'm kind of surprised. I did not get to choose anything because it's a resubscription. I resubscribed. I didn't get it for 2 months. So we're going to go through that today and we're going to see what I got and if it was worth it and all that fun stuff. So for $39.99, you get 6 to 7 full-size items, and I believe the value is up to $175. So let's dig in. They do give you a card, and they give you some information on this card about the products, plus the prices, and I'll put that on the screen for you. All right. We have got the Wishful Clean Genie Cleansing Butter. This reminds me of the pharmacy. I absolutely am so excited to get this because that stuff, you just mix it with water and your makeup just melts off. So I'm hoping it's the same. I do like her packaging. It says it has a $35 value. Let's just see what she looks like. Not much of a scent. I'm excited to use this because I was almost out of the pharmacy. Expensive though. Okay. Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil Loose Setting Powder, $27. This kind of looks like it has a pinky kind of shade to it. I'll try to get you guys a close-up. Yeah, with this I would apply it very, very, very lightly for sure. This is what it looks like. You can always add more anyway, but do it very lightly because it's definitely not completely translucent. Okay, exciting. Next, let's see what we have. Juice Beauty. $36 value. It is the Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. I don't know about you, but anytime I use something with charcoal, it gets everywhere on my sink. And I mean, I put a little bit on my hand, wash, and it's everywhere. I don't know. Anytime. Ooh, yeah, very thick mask, but I'm due for a good mask, and I like ones that detoxify and get down in the pores and get rid of the gunk. So awesome. Let's see what we have next. Persona Cosmetics Lip Liner, $14 value. Ooh, she looks pretty. Let's swatch her. Ooh, she could go with pretty much any lippy. Okay, I'm liking that. Very cool. Okay, what do we have? LYS Beauty Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. Okay. Here is the packaging. It has a $20 value. I hate it when they say primer because this is definitely not a primer. And when I think primer, I think this. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, this is like a moisturizer for sure. And I don't know, to me it's just going to be a serum, a moisturizer, but if you've tried it and it does something else for your skin, let me know. I'm sure all of us would want to know down in the comments. Okay, I think we have one item left. Yes, and it is the Ather Beauty Desert Sunset Palette. $48 value, 10 shades in ultra matte, shimmer, duochrome, and metallic finishes. Ooh. Ooh, look at her packaging. She's pretty. Okay, let's open her up. She's got like a case. These are the colors. Let's swatch a few. Ooh. Okay, let's see, let's see. are my swatches there. I will definitely do like a swatch video probably on my other channel so you can better see all of them and I'll have time to do all of them. And then I'll do a tutorial if you guys would like to see it on this channel. But let's recap because that's everything. So we got the palettes. And mind you, I couldn't choose anything. So I'm kind of excited about that. We got the palette. The Bare Minerals Veil. The Juice Beauty Mask. The Not So Primer Serum, the lip pencil, and the Wishful. Okay, that's not a bad box. I'm okay with that. Now tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. Talk to me there, talk to one another there. This is our community where we share things, ask things, all of that. So do you think my box was worth it? I'll put the total value on the screen for you and let me know if you have any questions. I'll do my very best to answer them. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I love you guys so very much. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and join the Gem Squad family. We would love to have you. There's a whole community down there waiting to say hello to you, and I will see you real soon in another video.